What's up, everybody? It's your boy EgyptGodAnubis here, and we are back for another how-to video. Today I am talking about making $500 a week as a kid in school. Now I know most of y'all are going back to school and you need a little money. This gonna be the best way for you. I'm gonna have a few steps for y'all. All you have to do is listen, pay attention, and we're gonna get you on your way to making that $500 a week. But before we hop into the video, I want to give a shout out to the notification squad. Thank y'all so much for coming and liking the video, commenting first. If you want to get a shout out on the next video, make sure you comment at the bottom, leave a like. With that being said, let's get into the video. So guys, the first step that you're going to want to do to make sure that you can make some money as a kid, if you are a kid and you don't have no money right now, go ask your parents if they can do this for you. It don't cost that much. It's real easy, real simple. Anybody can do it anywhere. It do not matter. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to Sam's Club. You're going to go to Sam's Club because they have a whole bunch of things that's there. It's nothing but bundle items. That's the best thing you can do. Buy everything in a bundle. It's going to help you out in the long run instead of just going to Walmart or any other type of food store or anything like that. Just go to Sam's Club. It's the best place you can go for bundles of items. Alright guys, so the next steps is going to be for you guys, make sure when you're going into Sam's that you're going to want to go to the candy section, and that's where you're going to be making your money from. Is selling candies. You're going to be selling candies and getting it all in bundles from Sam's Club. Make sure you get the bundles from Sam's Club and Sam's Club only. You're going to make a lot of money. So the first thing you're going to want to do, guys, is stay away from gum. Do not buy no gum. It is a no-go when it comes to gum. The reason for that is everybody can get it. It's not good to get gum. Everybody can get it. There's no reason to get it if everybody else is getting it. You're not going to make no profit. You're not going to make no money for that. And what we here to do is make some money. The next step, what you want to go and buy. These items right here sell real fast. It's the Starburst and Skittles. They the best seller ever. Trust me, everybody love these things. When you're buying the Skittles and or the Starburst, make sure you buy them in a bundle together. Never get the single boxes. Make sure you get them as a bundle. If you get them single, it's just gonna be a complete waste buying them single packs. So you buy them as a bundle, you save more money, and you're gonna be winning. What also sell great is Sour Punches. They don't sell better than the Skittles or anything like that, but everybody loves Sour Punches. Make sure you get the Sour Punches. And the ones that they love the most are the Sour Punches watermelon. I sold so many of them when I was in school, you wouldn't even believe. Make sure you get the Sour Punch watermelon. Alright guys, so make sure that you stay away from lollipop candies. They don't sell good at all. It's a waste of money to buy. You don't want to get them. Don't nobody really buy lollipops or anything like that. You got to get the good candy that people want. And stay away from Jolly Rancher candies. You don't want no type of Jolly Ranchers, or you don't even want Airheads. I know it sounds crazy. Trust me. People may think that Airheads sell good. They don't. Do not buy no Airheads. It's gonna be a hard time for you to sell them. You just gonna keep on stocking up on them. You're not gonna want them. Don't buy Airheads or don't buy Jolly Ranchers. Now guys, when it comes down to buying chocolate, I know everybody think chocolate sell good and stuff like that. Well, most of it do sell good, but not everything. Don't sell chocolate when it's like your first few weeks of selling candy, because it's gonna melt on you and you're gonna lose your money. Okay, if you can't sell the chocolate, what's the reason for even getting it? It's gonna waste. The chocolate gonna melt on you. You're not gonna sell it. Like when you're just getting started selling, just get the hard candy like Starburst or Skittles and stuff like that. And maybe once you come along and have a few customers that's regular and stuff like that, then you can start buying some chocolate. So once you hit that stage, this is going to be your next step. Make sure to get some Kit Kat bars and some peanut M&Ms. These things are like gold mines to people. They love them. They can't get enough of Kit Kats and peanut M&Ms. Never get the regular M&M. just get the peanut M&M. For some reason, people don't like just the chocolate M&Ms. I don't know why. Just don't get them. They not good sellers. So make sure you stay away from Milky Ways and Butterfingers, guys. For some reason, they just don't sell as good. You don't want them. The best thing for you to do is stay with the Starbursts and Skittles and things like that. Once you get upper in selling and you have a good crew that you sell to, then you want to start selling chocolate. Make sure you just do the Kit Kat and the peanut M&Ms, because Milky Ways and Butterfingers do not sell. I don't know why. People just don't like them. It's just not a popular candy. Another step, guys, is getting Twix. Everybody loves Twix. Twix was selling out real quick. It was selling out so fast, it was crazy. I couldn't believe how many Twix I was selling out of. I had to go to the store almost every week just to get a few more packs of the bundles of the Twix. So make sure you get a pack of Twix in your bundles. And of course, people always buy Snicker bars, but this only if you're comfortable selling chocolate at this time. If you're comfortable selling chocolate, make sure you get a Snickers and get the Twix. That's so you can sell them real quick. If you're not selling chocolate real quick, don't get them, because it's gonna melt, like I say, and you're gonna waste your money. Alright, so if you can find the Kit Kat Big Cats, people love them things. They'll even spend a little bit more money just to get one. They my top 2 sellers, and I was selling at least 20 of them a day. The Kit Kat Big Cat, them things are amazing. People love them. They love the small the small Kit Kat bars, but when it comes to the Big Cat, oh man, these things are gold mine. They gonna spend money on them things, so make sure you have them. And guys, with you following these steps I just gave you, you are on your way to make $500 a week in school. It's that easy. That's all you have to do. Just remember to write down all these steps that I just told you. Take them to the store, get what you need, and get to selling. Trust me, you're gonna make your $500 in a week. And once you do, you come back and let me know how you do. One more thing, guys, a bonus for you. If you try to sell sodas, make sure to get Mountain Dew, nothing else. For some reason, people don't like anything else other than Mountain Dew, especially in high school or elementary or junior high. Mountain Dew is the way to go. People love Mountain Dew. In school, I guess because it gives them energy and it got caffeine in there and stuff like that. That's the best thing you can do. Everybody love Mountain Dew. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for the next how-to video. If this video helped you out, let me know in the comment section. If you have any ideas on what you want me to give you information on in the next video, leave them in the comment section. I will get at you guys later. I'm out this thing. Peace.